Welcome to Quto's PDF to Image Converter, your fastest and most secure way to convert PDFs into images completely offline. Converting PDF files into images allows for easier sharing, faster previews, and quicker loading without any compatibility issues. Start by uploading your PDF. Just click on the Upload button and select your file. Next, choose the page you want to convert. Finally, click the Convert button. Your selected pages will be converted to images, ready for download instantly. Quto's PDF to Image Converter is completely offline. Your data never leaves your device, ensuring privacy. It's lightning fast, requires no installation, and is absolutely free to use. Thank you for using Quto.dev. Explore more simple, secure, and powerful tools at Quto.dev.